G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day all, how you all going? The time is 15 to 10 in the morning. Now we're going to try to catch this bird having a feed. Oh, there's another one there. Zoom this out and see if they'll feed together. Or is he going towards the other feeder? Oh wow. They chased everywhere. You don't normally see those birds around here. I knew that would happen. These type of birds are very aggressive, these ones. Oh, I got that one on the ground there. I've not seen this one around. Oh, that's a first. Okay. Oh, wow. Look how many birds there are. Waiting for the mate. And there's one bird down here just frozen. Now was that a magpie or something? Oh well. Anyway, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.